Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial. So I thought, since we've been in quarantine and it been like such lovely weather, I could create a tutorial for a summer look 2020, something nice and fresh. So we're gonna quickly start with some lotion, which I'm gonna put all over my face. It's nice glowy lotion from Elf Cosmetics, which gives you that lovely summer glow. Smells lovely as well. Yeah, don't forget to rub it everywhere, all over your face, very evenly, on your nose, all over your eyes. Lovely. Then I'm going to use my foundation, L'Oreal Ultra Match. Let me just get that hair from my face. Yeah. So I'll just put 2 pumps on and just put that, spread that evenly all over my face. It's a lovely warm colour. Since I got a little bit of tan, which I'm very happy about, because we finally had some sun in the UK. Lovely. Yeah, spread that all over the face. Evenly. Yeah, rub it in. Lovely. Then I'm going to use my blusher and contour palette. I'm gonna put the product first on the brush and then put it on my face. Yeah, which gives you, I love this palette. It's from Ted Baker and it's got this lovely peachy color, yeah, all over my cheeks. It gives you that summer look which we want to create. Yeah, lovely on both cheeks. Don't forget to put it on both cheeks, little bit on my nose. Lovely, not in but on your nose. Great. Then I'm gonna use I should have used concealer first. Well, yeah, all that hair in my face. Right, I'm gonna put this concealer under my eyes. Yeah, and then same amount on the other eye. Yeah, just to cover them dark circles from not sleeping, because we still got a little baby. And then I'm gonna rub it in with this brush. I'm gonna, yeah, blend it in so we can't see the lines. This is the trick, guys. You need to blend it in, yeah, blending, blending, blending. Yeah, so we can't see any lines. It's all blended evenly. Lovely, lovely. That's it. That's it. Now I'm gonna go crazy with some eyeshadows. So since this is the summer look, we'll just go for crazy color. Oh, I'm gonna put it on my eyes, yeah. Just put it straight in your crease, eye crease, and blend it in, yeah. Blend it in, eye. Put it on your eyes. And a little bit on other eye. And blend it. Blend it. Yeah, that's the trick. That's the blending is the key. I think I might put a little bit more because it's not quite, I can't really see it. So yeah, on my eyes. This look would look lovely with somebody with blue eyes, but I mean, you can use any color. Just follow the instructions. Right, now we're gonna do what could we use? We're gonna do a bit of a highlight. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlight on my cheekbones, on my, yeah, somewhere on my face. Yeah. Yeah, there. Here, yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. Lovely. So we can see that highlight. And then on my other cheekbones. right there, yeah, and blend it in, yeah. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara to finish the eye look. Yeah. Bit on the other eye. Don't be afraid to use quite a bit of mascara because we want that lovely lashes. Yeah, we want them lovely lashes to stand out. That's it. Yeah, perfect. And we're gonna finish this off with maybe a little bit of eyeliner. So you need to be really precise with the eyeliner. Yeah, you need to have very steady hands. If you don't have it, don't do it, because I mean it could go so wrong. Lovely. But see, I'm a professional, so I mean this is nothing for me. Right, and that's it. We're just gonna put this lipstick on and then we're done. I've chosen this lovely color for summer all over my lips. Yeah, don't go over, don't overdraw your line, because that could look really silly. So yeah, there we go, that's it.